Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can add a website to speed dials in your Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Opera browser on your desktop computer or on your laptop, and here navigate to your home screen. You may do that by clicking into that plus new tab button here. And here where it says add a site, you will see the list of speed dials. As you can see, I haven't added any website to it. You may go with, for instance, these suggestions here. You will see websites you have been visiting more frequently recently, or you may click into add a site here, or option number 3, you right click anywhere you like on your home screen and select add to speed dials. And from there you go with, as previously mentioned, here there will be that list of site suggestions, or if you'd like to enter a custom entry, type in the URL address of the given website and click into add to Opera here. And so let me go, for example, with, I don't know, this one here. And then you will see the entry here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.